Well, a Dutch court's ruling today on compensation for environmental pollution in the oil-rich Niger Delta region has once again brought to the fore issues concerning spills. The judgment, which may have largely absolved oil giants Shell of operational failures leading to spills, has been viewed variously by activists as a test for holding multinationals accountable. In this next report, our energy correspondent, Olu Phillips, takes a look at the arguments over oil spills following the court's ruling.
When in 2011, the United Nations Environmental Programme, UNEP, submitted the report of environmental assessment of Ogoni land at the instance of the federal government, it demonstrated perhaps an attempt by government at the highest level to deal with issues of environmental degradation.
This is cleanup.
The process involved 69 sites for soil and underground water investigations, 4,000 samples, 5,000 medical reports, 23,000 people from Ogoni land helping with information, and many more. In the end, conclusions were reached, stunning revelations made, one of such saying that it will take approximately between 25 to 30 years for any effective cleanup to occur, and that the underground water was contaminated 900 times above Nigerian standard for drinking water. All spills had remained a source of agitation, allowing for a lot of activism from environmentalists. But the international oil companies had consistently blamed spills on sabotage, an issue which resonates in the UNEP report. The report reads in part, all sources of contamination, including artisanal refining, which is currently going on, must be brought to an end. Of quote. In 2008, an interest group along some 4 Nigerians insisted an international oil company operating in Nigeria, that is Shell, is liable for spills owing to operational negligence. The group escalated that agitation to a Netherlands court asking for compensations. After a long-drawn legal battle, a verdict had been pronounced. The Dutch court ruled that sabotage is at the root of the spill in question, dismissing 4 out of the 5 allegations against Shell. A statement in response to that by the MD of XPDC, that is Shell, Mr. Mutiu Sumoni, reads, "We welcome the court's ruling that all spill cases were caused by criminal activities, whether at the level of crude oil theft, pipeline vandalism, or bunkering. The environment will always degenerate except something is done about these activities." Olu Phillips, Channels Television News.